In this video, we are going to discuss few topics from the chapter study of the first element, that is hydrogen, from the book A New Approach to ICSE Chemistry, class 9th. And the topic which we are going to study right now is industrial method for the preparation of hydrogen gas. As hydrogen gas can't be produced in laboratory on a large scale, therefore we have to be preparing it in industries for the large scale of production. For the preparation on the large scale in industries, the name given to the preparation is Bosch process. So this is the name which is given to the industrial method of preparation of hydrogen gas. This Bosch process involves two different steps. The first one is the preparation of water gas, and the second one is removal of carbon monoxide gas from the water gas. Let's study the first point, preparation of water gas. Here we have to remember that water gas is the combination of two different gases, that is carbon monoxide and hydrogen. And the special character is both the gases should be in equal quantities. When the mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas are taken in equal quantities, then the combination of these two gases is called water gas. So in the first point, we are going to prepare water gas for the preparation of hydrogen gas in industries. For the preparation of water gas, superheated steam, that is at near about 170 degrees Celsius. This steam is passed on white hot coke or charcoal. When superheated steam is passed on the white hot coke and charcoal, an endothermic reaction takes place. And when this reaction takes place, then two gases are produced, carbon monoxide gas and hydrogen gas. And the speciality is both the gases are produced in equal volumes or in equal quantities. That is the reason when they both gases, carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas, is produced in equal quantity, then the combination of these two gases is called water gas. So in the first step, we have prepared water gas, which is a combination of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas. Now, we have to remove this carbon monoxide to get this pure hydrogen. For removing of this carbon monoxide, we have to mix the water gas with twice the volume of superheated steam. Means we have to mix the water gas with steam, and that should be of double quantity than that of water gas, and it should be superheated. And when these two are mixed together, and then the mixture is passed over ferric oxide and chromium oxide. When they are passed over ferric oxide and chromium oxide, the temperature should be 450 to 500 degrees Celsius. Here, ferric oxide and chromium oxide acts as the catalysts. When these react together, they form a reaction in which carbon monoxide reacts to form carbon dioxide. This carbon monoxide is converted into carbon dioxide, and which is easier to remove than removing carbon monoxide from hydrogen. So when carbon monoxide changes into carbon dioxide, this full reaction is called water gas shift reaction. Revising the reaction, we have studied that when water gas is mixed with twice the volume of superheated steam, where the catalyst used is ferric oxide and chromium oxide, temperature is 450 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius, the reaction takes place, and this carbon monoxide gas, it gets converted into or oxidized into carbon dioxide gas. Now, we are having two different gases, hydrogen gas and carbon dioxide gas. Removing carbon dioxide gas is much easier than removing carbon monoxide gas. Now, for removing this carbon dioxide gas, we have to compress the mixture of these two gases at 30 atmospheric pressure. And when the two gases are pressed at 30 atmospheric pressure, they, on compressing and passing through water, carbon dioxide gas gets dissolved in water, but hydrogen gas does not dissolve in water. Means when the mixture of carbon dioxide and hydrogen gas, which is compressed at 30 atmospheric pressure, and after compressing it is passed through water, the carbon dioxide gas gets dissolved, but hydrogen gas does not get dissolved and is collected. Now the thing here to remember is, this hydrogen gas which is collected is still not pure. It now also contains some traces of carbon monoxide gas and water as the moisture. Now, to remove this trace of carbon monoxide, what we can do is, we can pass the mixture of hydrogen gas with carbon monoxide and moisture through ammonical cuprous chloride solution. When hydrogen gas, which is having impurities of carbon monoxide gas and water vapors, when it is passed through ammonical cuprous chloride absorbs carbon monoxide gas, and ammonical cuprous chloride combines with carbon monoxide gas to form additional compound by which carbon monoxide gas is removed, and now the hydrogen gas has only water vapors as impurities. These water vapors are removed by cooling the gas at about -20 degrees Celsius, where at this -20 degrees Celsius water vapor freezes and hydrogen gas don't freeze. The hydrogen gas is collected in dry and steel cylinders. Hence, hydrogen gas is obtained in the industries, and the full process and the full name for this process is called Bosch process. Hence, we have prepared hydrogen gas in industries. That's all in this video.